With the help of Felix and his team, I'm getting tons of leads. I'm able to keep real busy. I just want to give a shout out to Felix at Aimeazy. I'm owner and operator of Citadel Fence and Deck, and with the help of Felix and his team, I'm getting tons of leads, and I'm able to keep real busy with the beautiful work that they do at Aimeazy. So, it was great to get to know them and their team. They customize everything for you. They have thorough weekly meetings with you as well. And, the constant support that I get and the constant flow of leads, it allows me to just input it into my system, and me and my team take care of the rest. So if you're a business owner and you think that you want to take on some more leads, then highly consider Felix and his team at Aimeazy. All right.